Tired of hunting through DuckDuckGo menus to reset your settings? Here's exactly where to click to restore defaults instantly. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the 6 simple steps to reset all search settings, from opening the menu to confirming the reset. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, open up your DuckDuckGo browser. It doesn't matter if you're on a desktop or on a mobile device. Just launch the app or go to the website. And here's the thing. We're going to start from the main search page, the one you see right when you open it. So have that ready to go. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. See those 3 little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other? That's your menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is the primary way to access all of DuckDuckGo's hidden options, so it's a good one to remember. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, you want to select Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click on that, and it will take you to a whole new page dedicated to all of your search preferences. This is where you can change things like themes, languages, and privacy controls. But we're not here to tweak anything. We're here to wipe the slate clean. So, scroll down through the settings page. You're going to keep going until you see a button that says Reset All Search Settings. It's a big red button, so it's hard to miss. Go ahead and click that. Now, don't worry. This isn't going to delete your bookmarks or your history or log you out of anything. It just resets the way DuckDuckGo searches and displays results. Think of it like giving the browser a fresh start. A pop-up window will appear, asking, "Are you sure you want to reset all settings?" with 2 buttons, yes and no. Click Yes. This confirms that you want to go back to factory defaults. In my experience testing this process across different devices, this is the step where people get nervous, but it's completely safe. Just click Yes and move on. Here's the last step. After you click Yes, the page will update, but you're not done yet. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. There, you'll see a button that says Save and Exit. Click that. This is a really important part because if you just close the window or navigate away without hitting save, none of the changes will stick. So make sure you see that button and click it. Once you do, your settings are restored to their original defaults, and you're taken back to the main search page. And that's it. You've successfully reset all of your DuckDuckGo settings. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Next time you want to start fresh, you'll know exactly which menu to open and which buttons to click. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy searching.